4 upcoming space missions which can actually change our understanding about the universe. The Artemis 3 mission, which is the next step back on the moon. After Artemis 2 proved humans can travel beyond Earth again, Artemis 3 will test the systems needed for future moon landings. NASA plans to launch 4 astronauts aboard the Orion for a complex docking operation, with lunar lander being developed by SpaceX and Blue Origin. Why does it matter? It tests the future moon landing technology, demonstrates multiple spacecraft operations, and prepares humanity for a long-term lunar exploration. Second one is Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. Think of it like Hubble's another cousin. The Roman Space Telescope has mirror that same size of Hubble's, but it can observe an area of about 100 times larger in a single image. It will study the dark energy, dark matter, and thousands of exoplanets. Why does this mission matter? It measures the light from billions of galaxies, discovers thousands of new exoplanets, and also helps solve the mystery of dark matter. This mission is scheduled to launch in August of 2026. The third mission is MMX, Martian Moons Exploration. What if Mars's moon holds some of the secrets about how this solar system was formed? Japan's JAXA space agency is sending the MMX spacecraft to explore Mars's moons Phobos and Deimos. The spacecraft will land on Phobos, collect the samples, bring them back to Earth, which will be the first ever sample return from the Mars's system. Why does this mission matter? It will bring Mars's moon samples to the Earth. It reveals how Mars and its moons were formed, and it will test the technology for the future Mars missions. The fourth mission is the Haven 1, the first commercial space station. So what comes after the International Space Station? It is this. Haven 1 is being developed by the company Vast Space and aims to become one of the first commercial space stations. It will orbit Earth and host private astronaut, researchers, as well as scientific experiments. Beginning of commercial space stations, new opportunities for scientific research, and a stepping stone towards a permanent human civilization outside of the Earth. Which mission are you most excited about? Comment down below and follow for more such space facts.